Hello, my name is Ashley. Today I'm going to have a new project and we're going to do spring cleaning so it can fit 2 cars in the garage. We're going to make a lot of space. I have new things which it calls Fleximounts, and what I'm going to do is I have a 2-car garage and I want to make it space, so I ordered it from Amazon. And if you want to see it, you can go in my description and you can order it. We're going to use Fleximount to help us to have plenty space. And over here that you can see, it's all piled up to the ceiling. I think I have to clean it and I'm going to have better space with this Fleximount. And it's going to be very good, so I can fit the 2-car in a garage, and I will have plenty space and it will be clean. As you can see, it's very, very tight to move around because it's too much stuff I have, and I have to fix it and I have to put them nicer and better. While the cars are here, it's very tight and squeezed, so I need a little bit more space. Now that I put one of my car outside so I can have a little space to move around, otherwise it's very, very hard and it's very, very tight, even though it's 2-car garage. But you know how it is, the garage, always you put stuff and it will fill up and you have no space. With this Fleximount, we're gonna put up over there that you see the space, we will be able to hang and put the stuff up there. And I'm very pleased, the packaging, it came very, very neatly and nothing it was damaged, and it was very good packed and it arrived very safe over here. Instruction, it's very, very easy, and I think I will be able to do it very easy way in no time. I ordered 2 things from Amazon. One of them, it carries 600-pound capacity, and that's the one that we're gonna hang it now. And one of them has 300-pound capacity, and that one it moves up and down with the crank. This is not an installation video, but I'm gonna tell you how I did it. Go ahead and read the instruction, it's very easy to understand. I just took the stand finder and I made a mark wherever the 2x4 is there. So I just did a mark so we can install it now. Now we have to install the ceiling brackets, and I have all the screws and everything ready so I can start and put it on. The Fleximount comes everything in a package ready, whatever you need. So now we're going to put the brackets. Alright, all the brackets are done over here, and it was very simple. There was a wrench, it did easy to work. Alright, I put the 3 pieces together over here. Now this is going to be the 4th one. We're going to set it up. It's very, very easy to install. All the tools and screws that it's come, they're all high quality, good quality, and really easy to install it. I put the 2 of them. That was very, very easy. The top one, it was a little hard, but the ones that it's hanging, there is a couple more to do it, which is much easier. It's very, very easy. I have 4 more to go. Okay, now that you see here, someone helped me to lift this thing. We put it together. The rest was very, very easy. It's just like to carry to put it, but this is the way it's gonna look. And I think we're gonna be very happy with this. Now that I fixed the Fleximount, now you see over here all my Christmas stuff and the junk. Now I can take them and I put them up there and put them all together. And it will be plenty space to put my 2 cars. And look how beautiful it looks. This is my Christmas stuff. I want to show you how easy to slide it on and put all the stuff together. Now I'm gonna put them all here. Here's more Christmas stuff, more things to put. Now my garage is gonna be plenty empty space that I can put my car. I'm so happy, I'm so pleased with the product, the way it's been done. Here is another box full of toys, Christmas stuff. Here is all my stuff. These are all Christmas stuff, camping stuff, Christmas, all the ornaments, you name it, whatever I had over there filled up. Now I put it, it carries about 600 pounds on this. I can even go on top of it too. So it's very beautiful. I'm very pleased with this and I think I'm going to enjoy it. Come and check from this angle too and show how beautiful. I still can put more stuff on it. I still have plenty rooms that I can still put it on top of each other and there is empty space. It's beautiful. That really I'm pleased with it because I really empty my garage. I have plenty space now. I can feel free when I park my car and my kids, they can go in and out. More space for me and everything, it's up there. And I think there's nothing to complain. It's beautiful. I will enjoy it. And once a year to put it up and down, it's out of my way. Fleximount is a US company dedicated to providing effortless storage and organizing solutions for garage and home. Their products are highly rated on Amazon, with their classic garage rack being a bestseller trusted by many for their quality and innovation. The installation, it's very easy. It wasn't hard. Only thing is, it was hard for me to carry, to put it, the bottom part. So I needed help, somebody to help me to hold it so we can put it together. But besides that, it was very simple, easy. It didn't need any work except the 2x4 to find it on the ceiling, to how to put it. If you have a garage finished with the drywall, you have to have the machine stud finder for the nails to be able to put it easier. Otherwise, some of the garage you can see the skeleton and it's much easier to put it. But I managed it. It worked very good. I feel very safe and secure that now it's up and it's strong, so I don't have to worry about falling or anything. It's pretty safe, it is. On my next video, I'm going to install another Fleximount. This one is going to be on top over here. And this one is going to be like going up and down. You can, with the hand work, it's going to be up and down. And it's going to be very good. I will show you. It's going to be just right here. If you like either stationary or adjustable Fleximount, you can buy them by clicking the link in the description below. Thank you for watching my spring cleaning and I thank you very much for watching my video. Please share and subscribe and like, and I thank you again. Bye-bye. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this channel. I want to thank to all my patrons on patreon.com for their support to make my channel possible. Thank you.